G'day folks, today in this quick little video we're going to talk about the best way to discharge your drone batteries if you have to travel. So this topic kind of got brought up on my Facebook page, and I thought it was a good idea for a video because I'm sure there's others that might run into this issue. Now, when you're going on a flight, they don't like your LiPo batteries to be fully charged. They like them discharged. Now, just kind of from my own experience and talking to different people, quite often they don't check your batteries. I've never been personally asked to have them checked. But it does happen, and I've talked to a few people where they actually wanted them to pull each battery out and show them that they were discharged. So that kind of brings up the topic of what's the best way to discharge them before a flight, just so you don't run into any hassles. That's the last thing you want when you have other things on your mind. Now, in this discussion, quite a few of the people said to discharge their batteries. They power on their aircraft, they take the propellers off and just run the motors until the battery dies. Personally, myself, I don't think that's the best solution. It does work, and I'm not saying you shouldn't do that. But to me, that can take a long time, and it puts unnecessary wear on your aircraft, the motors. Now, I've never tested this, but the Mavic 2 Pro, Mavic 2 Zoom, has a 31-minute battery. Now, if you take the propellers off and just let the motors run, I would have to say that it would last longer than 31 minutes because of there's no air resistance, there's no wind, the drone's not battling anything. It should actually go longer than that 31 minutes. So that's a long time for the motors to be running for no reason. Now, with these intelligent batteries from DJI, they will discharge on their own, and you can set the delay on when they start to discharge via the Go4 app. But if you need to get them emptied right away, because you have a flight, last-minute flight coming up, no matter whether you have the Mavic Air, the Mavic Pro, or the Mavic 2 Pro or Zoom, you can get these little power bank adapters that come with the Fly More combos, and you can also purchase them separately. They're not a lot of money, and they do come in handy because it does essentially turn your battery into a power bank. Now, this is just for demonstration. My iPad's already pretty well fully charged, but if you notice there that it's not charging yet. Now, before these work, you have to power them on, and it's the same way as if you had this mounted in a drone. You just do your double tap. And as soon as you do that, you can see the light stays illuminated, and now the iPad is being charged. Now, the problem can be is we only have so many devices that need to be charged. For example, one of these Mavic 2 Pro batteries can fully charge an iPad Pro. So what do we do with the rest of our batteries? I still have 3 more there. I have 1 in the aircraft. So then how do we use this power bank adapter to finish discharging it? Well, what I like to do is use a power bank. Now, this is a small one. This is only a 10,000 milliamp, but these can hold a lot more power than an iPad. So you can actually recharge power banks from your batteries. And if you've got a 20,000 milliamp or a 26,000 milliamp power bank, you could empty all your batteries into your power bank. And it works just the same way. You plug in your cable to the power bank, and then the other end into the Mavic battery. And as you can see there, it's now charging the power bank. So all the power is being transferred from the Mavic battery into the power bank. So like I said, one decent sized power bank, and you can empty the power from all your batteries. And yeah, it actually works very well. It doesn't really speed up the process as much. It still takes a couple hours to fully discharge a Mavic battery, but it saves the wear and tear on your aircraft, and I think it's just a better way to do it. Well, folks, that's it for this video. Hopefully you found it useful if you are wondering how to discharge your Mavic batteries if you've got a flight coming up. That's how I do it anyways, and I've always found that to work well. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll include the link down below for this little power bank adapter from the DJI website. If you haven't got one, you can go and check it out and purchase one. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. We'll see you in the next one.